Some people grow up idolising different people throughout their lives. I always wanted to be like my father.
Look at the wall of them. So what's it like being a free man? It's liberating, mate. Liberating. Yeah.
What's going on here? So you're out then?
It's no thanks to you either.
Brother, please forgive me.
I have an idea. Let's just say we can kill two birds with one stone.
What I did yesterday was stupid.
Put the gun down and let her go.
I could have got somebody killed.
Well, you didn't.
Don't ever ask me to do you another favour again.
Do you think you're better than me or something? You haven't got a clue, man.
Got a surface.
When he does, I'm gonna bury him below the surface.
It'll be the last fish you ever see.
You're Joe's friend.
You don't get that money back to me, I'm gonna cut your fucking head off.
Must run the family, what?
You don't fancy losing you like we lost your father.
Put it down!
Is that what you're thinking?
I was just doing my job.